Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Gimp tutorials how to sharpen image. For example, I will open image, click open, and if you want to sharpen this image, you can go to filter menu, click on enchant, and then click sharpen tools. Will be show for sharpen dialog box, and to sharpen you can increase for the radius. I will increase to this point, and also you can set for the amount. The other option, we can use threshold in here, but you need to decrease for amounts and for the radius to sharpen the image. Okay, if you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Gimp tutorials how to sharpen image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.